Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to get TradingView discount. If you're looking to save some cash on TradingView, you're in the right place. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned user, grabbing discounts can keep more money in your pocket. So, let's get started on how you can take advantage of these savings. Seasonal sales, a gold mine for discounts. One of the best times to save on TradingView is during their seasonal sales. Keep your eyes peeled for massive discounts during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. During these events, you might snag up to 70% off. Plus, there's often a bonus of a free month when you subscribe to an annual plan. So, mark these dates on your calendar to ensure you don't miss out. But don't just wait for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. TradingView also has other seasonal promotions throughout the year, such as Valentine's Day, Easter, and summer. These sales can offer anywhere from 40% to 70% off, which is an excellent chance to subscribe at a lower rate without waiting until year's end. Exclusive email offers and free trials. Another smart way to save is by keeping an eye on exclusive email offers and free trial extensions. After your free trial ends, TradingView might send you a special invitation to come back. These emails often include discounts from 25% to 50%, which are pretty tempting if you're thinking about returning to the platform. Also, keep an eye out for region-specific promotions that might land in your inbox. Referral credits, a clever savings trick. Referral credits offer another way to cut down costs. Use someone else's referral link or share your own to earn $15 in TradingView credits. These credits can be combined with other discounts for even more savings. For example, using codes like SummerBank can give you $15 off and help you benefit from annual savings. By stacking these offers, you can significantly reduce your total cost. Annual payment, a long-term saving strategy. Lastly, consider opting for annual billing instead of monthly payments. This choice can automatically provide you with a discount of about 16%. It's a smart way to save some extra dollars on your subscription, especially if you're planning to use TradingView for the long haul. By timing your subscription right, keeping an eye on exclusive deals, using referral credits, and choosing an annual payment plan, you can enjoy significant discounts on TradingView. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to get TradingView discount. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.